Hey everyone, today I'm excited to introduce a powerful new OSINT tool designed for elite data gathering Email Hunt Pro v3.0. This isn't just a scraper, it's a full-scale intelligence swarm. First, let's talk about the interface. We've moved away from boring dashboards to this sleek, futuristic UI. It's clean, responsive, and built for speed. Before we go further, a quick heads up, everything you see is fully censored. This testing is conducted legally and is strictly for educational purposes only. Always stay ethical, guys.
Hey everyone, I'm Zain Malik and my channel is Exploitra Project.
Now, I could spend hours walking you through every line of code, but let's be real, that would make this video long and boring. So, instead of a lecture, let's look at the killer features. This is if you want the full source code, just drop a comment with the word mail and I'll get it to you. Alright, let's break down the neural engine that makes this tool a beast. I've packed it with some serious industry-grade features. First, we have MX verification. Most scrapers just give you a list of random strings. But Email Hunt Pro actually pings the domain's mail exchange records. It confirms if the mail server is active and capable of receiving emails. No more dead leads or bounce backs. Second is SSRF Protection, the security shield. Security is a priority. I've integrated SSRF Protection. This ensures the crawler never touches private IP ranges or internal networks. It's built to stay within ethical boundaries while protecting your own infrastructure from accidental leaks. Third is Wayback Machine Integration. This is the secret sauce. Sometimes websites delete their contact pages. With Wayback integration, our swarm dives into the Internet Archives, archive.org, to pull historical data. If a lead existed 5 years ago, this tool will find it. Fourth is Smart Proxy Hub and Rotation. To stay stealthy, we use a proxy rotation system. You can connect your own proxy hub or let the tool auto-rotate through public pools. This prevents IP blacklisting and ensures the swarm stays active without getting blocked by firewalls.
The UI isn't just for looks, it's fully responsive and gives you a high-tech control center feel while managing your system's security.
So, now let's execute the full mission. Once the swarm has intercepted the data, you don't need to copy-paste anything. With one click on the export button, the entire intelligence report is converted into a professional Excel file. Alright guys, that's the power of Email Hunt Pro. Thank you so much for watching and supporting the channel. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments. See you in the next one. Thank you and goodbye.